natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-upload ng SSS supporting documents dahil may dagdag at 3 supporting documents na ang kailangan i-upload. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa pag-upload, i-ready natin ang ating requirements. First is proof of account. Dapat visible o nakikita yung account number at account name. At bank name. Pwede kang mamili kung anong meron sa'yo. Halimbawa, ATM or foreign remittance receipt or passbook or screenshot of online or mobile banking or validated deposit slip. Then second, proof of ID, SSS or UMID card or any valid government ID na may photo or mukha mo at signature mo. Third is selfie photo na hawak yung proof of account at any valid ID. Halimbawa, ATM at ID. Or pag online banking ka, kailangan mong i-print yung proof of account tulad nito. Wow! Then, sa pag-upload ng documents, kailangan hindi lumampas ng 1 MB. Pag lumampas, pwede mong i-screenshot. Then, always rename file. Then, after ma-prepare at mag-login, click natin yung disbursement account enrollment module. Kung may na-enroll ka na, dito mo makikita. Pero kung gusto mong magdagdag o wala ka pang disbursement account na in-enroll, dito tayo sa enrollment. Then enroll option. Ano ba yung gusto mong i-enroll? Bank or e-wallet? Halimbawa, dito tayo sa bank. Enter your bank name, pangalan ng bangko mo, then bank account number. Then confirm your bank account number. Then next is attach supporting documents. Wow! First is proof of account. Then, select document type na i-upload mo. Then, after, click browse file to upload proof of account. Then, second, proof of identification. Click browse file to upload your valid ID or any valid ID. Third is selfie photo na hawak yung proof of account at ID. Then click browse file to upload. Then after ma-upload yung tatlo, click I certify. Then enroll. Then bank account number will be submitted to SSS. Then click OK. Wow! Then you have successfully enrolled your bank account details to SSS. Then view disbursement account. Kung ano yung status, makikita mo is for branch approval. Then after ma-approve, next na makikita sa disbursement account mo ay active disbursement account. Ibig sabihin, na-enroll na, pwede mo nang magamit or mag-apply ng loan or whatsoever. Charot. like and subscribe and click notification bell para updated ka palagi sa mga videos ko at pakishare na rin. Dahil mas lamang ang may alam. Charot. Then, maaari ka rin manood ng iba ko pang videos. Just visit my channel. Thank you. Next time again.